I got this super cool product delivered from Amazon.in. It's a Hardoll solar LED string light, and it comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. And I have got a hollow tube or a tube shaped light. So here are the details of the company. It's a genuine company. The solar lamp specifications are given on the package. So it's a solar light, so it automatically turns on at night and charges automatically during day. It's waterproof, it has different modes, it has got a brilliant battery, and this has excellent brightness. This comes in a cool white color as said by the manufacturers. Now let's open the box and see what are the contents of that. All right, here you can see the tube shaped light that comes in the package. Okay, it has the solar panel attached to it. All right, so this looks good. Now we have a stake, I guess, yes, and some other fixture for the light. Yeah, this is probably a fixture that helps you to assemble the panel to the light. We also have the manual here. Okay, this is Hardoll solar string light. So yes, I think it has got all the details regarding the light, the specifications, how to use the light, general instructions, yes, how to fix the fixtures to the panel. Okay, so pretty good. Let's keep this aside. Here is the light now. Okay, so this is how we can fix the fixture to the solar panel. Okay, just slide this into the hollow space over the panel, and here goes it. Now you can just dig this into the ground, a mud or a pot, wherever you want to place the light. Okay, just removing it. Now I think it's time for us to switch on the light. Cover the solar panel before switching it on. It gives a brilliant cool white color. See how beautiful it is. Yeah, it has got 100 LEDs inside, and the length is 12 meters. Here is the on off switch, and next to it we have the mode switch. So with this we can select the modes. See, this is the blinking mode or the flickering mode. Pretty good. Now let's try the steady mode. Click it again. Yeah, turn to steady mode. The light will glow continuously without flickering. Let's switch it off. Okay, so this is pretty good. It has got 12-meter length, which is good enough to decorate your home, your garden, to wind around the trees, or in your balcony. It gives excellent results. It has got a lead length which is about 2 meters, so the light is good enough to decorate your home space. So thanks, Hardoll.